Welcome to the second module of our course on data stores and data structures. Previously, you were introduced to the basics of data structures. Now we're going to delve deeper into the concept of data stores. In this unit, you'll discover what a data store is and explore its significant advantages. We'll discuss why storing your data within the platform Make can offer more benefits compared to other methods. Additionally, you'll learn how to create and manage your own data store effectively. Understanding data stores is crucial as they play a pivotal role in building dynamic and efficient scenarios. Let's dive in and enhance your skills in managing data intelligently. Now that we're diving into this unit, let's explore some practical applications you'll encounter. We'll start by deepening our understanding of data structures, which are essential for organizing and manipulating data efficiently. As we move through the unit, you'll have the opportunity to build your first data store. This hands-on activity will help you grasp how data is stored and retrieved, a crucial skill for managing information within your projects. We'll guide you in creating scenarios that inject and utilize data within these stores, enhancing your ability to automate and streamline processes. You'll also explore how webhooks can dynamically update data stores, providing real-time data integration. By the end of this unit, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to effectively use data stores and data structures to support your workflows. Let's unravel the concept of a data store. Essentially, a data store in Make acts like a simple yet powerful built-in database. Imagine it as a digital filing cabinet with rows and columns quite similar to Google Sheets. This feature allows you to store and retrieve data efficiently, enabling you to save the output of a scenario or transfer data between different scenarios or runs. Think about the times you've needed to keep track of specific information from your applications during a scenario execution, like extracting a field from an email. A data store can handle that seamlessly. It becomes a versatile tool to organize and manage data, making it readily accessible for use within the same scenario or across different scenarios in Make. In essence, the data store keeps your workflow centralized and your data management simple. A data store in Make serves as an essential tool for managing data efficiently across various sources. Imagine having a centralized place where you can store records from different databases and external applications. This not only keeps your information organized, but also creates logs of past activities. Such logs are invaluable for auditing, tracking changes, and analyzing trends over time. Using data stores facilitates seamless sharing and transferring of data among your scenarios, maintaining consistency and coherence in the workflows you design. It acts as a reliable foundation for building intricate scenarios, especially when you're integrating multiple platforms or services. By centralizing your data management, a data store ensures that all your information remains synchronized across different applications, leading to smoother operations and more effective data handling. Enjoy the flexibility and organization that a data store adds to your Make toolkit. When you're considering ways to store and manage data, you might ask why using the data store in Make is advantageous over popular tools like Google Sheets or Airtable. While these platforms are excellent for certain tasks, Make offers a more streamlined experience. It's designed to be easier, faster, and highly flexible, providing seamless integration within its environment. One of the biggest benefits is availability. Data stores are included in every Make plan, even the free option, so there's no need to sign up for a third-party service or worry about data privacy. This also means you gain access to rapid data retrieval, no waiting for external app loading times. Furthermore, the data store enhances your workflows by integrating seamlessly with Make's automation and scenario building capabilities. Plus, Make calculates data storage needs based on your chosen plan, ensuring you have the right resources for your projects. By choosing Make's data store, you're opting for a solution that's not just about storage, but about enhancing your data-driven activities across integrated platforms. Imagine having a tool right within Make that lets you manage your data seamlessly. That's what the data store offers. This built-in app allows you to explore and manage data without needing third-party tools. It features a variety of modules enabling you to perform tasks like adding, updating, or deleting records. Each module is designed with the ACID tag, ensuring that any changes can be safely reversed if necessary, maintaining data integrity and reliability. This capability makes data handling not only efficient but also secure, fitting perfectly into your automation workflows. In Make, you're not limited to just one data store. You can create multiple data stores according to your needs. The total data storage capacity you have depends on your subscription level. By separating your data into different stores, you can manage it more effectively. For instance, keeping customer data, product information, and order details in distinct data stores can enhance organization, streamline data management, and improve access control. This approach not only aids in maintaining a clear structure, but also ensures your scenarios run smoothly and efficiently. When managing data storage in Make, it's crucial to understand how the storage capacity is allocated. Your storage limit depends on the number of operations you run each month. For every 10,000 operations, you earn 10 MB of data storage. This means that the more operations you have, the more storage you'll get. You can set up to 1,000 data stores within a single organization. Whether you're on a free or premium plan, your storage starts at a minimum of 1 MB per store. Free plan users have access to 1 MB, which equates to about 1,000 operations. To track your usage, check the data storage size in megabytes as you add new data stores. Monitoring this regularly is essential because Make doesn't alert you if you approach your storage limit. This proactive approach will help you manage your data effectively and avoid any service interruptions due to exceeded limits. To access a data store in Make, there are two straightforward methods, and both share a similar setup process. First, locating the Data Store tab on your left side menu is a common approach. This will take you directly to the Data Stores section, allowing for easy management and creation of new data stores. Alternatively, you can also use the Scenario Builder, where you can visualize and construct your data interactions, ensuring flexibility in how you incorporate data stores into your projects. Exploring these options will help you effectively leverage the capabilities of data stores in your workflow. To access your data store easily, head over to the left side menu and find the Data Stores tab. Once you click on it, you're taken to the Data Stores section, where you can create a new data store tailored to your needs. This is your hub for managing and organizing your data efficiently. Stay tuned for detailed instructions on how to set up your data store coming up next. Now that you've gained some familiarity with data stores, let's dive into accessing them through another method. This involves using the Scenario Builder, where you can search for the Data Store app. It's a handy alternative if you're already working within scenarios and want seamless integration. When using this method, it's important to know the specific module you need. This ensures efficient navigation and use of the data store functionalities. By understanding how to access different modules, you'll have better control over your data management processes. Up next, we'll guide you through creating a data store. This is where you'll start building a foundation for organizing and managing your data effectively. Let's explore this exciting next step together. Welcome to the exciting step of creating your very own data store. This is essentially a simple database where you'll organize and manage the data we'll work with in upcoming units. Think of it as a container for information that you'll rely on throughout this course. First things first, you'll be integrating a data structure into your data store. If you've already set this up in an earlier unit, you're ready to proceed. If not, make sure to revisit Unit 1 and complete this critical step. Establishing a data structure is crucial because it defines the format and organization of the information you'll input. Initially, your data store will be empty. Don't worry, you'll gradually populate it as you move forward. Let's dive in and start setting up your data store. Now that you're ready to create your data store, let's walk through the process together. It's important to take your time and carefully follow each step. If you've already set up a data store previously, you can simplify things by renaming it. If not, you'll start from scratch by accessing the Data Stores section and clicking Add Data Store. Once the pop-up appears, you'll notice the default name is My Data Store. While this is fine for testing, it's beneficial to assign a meaningful name. Think about the type of data you'll store and choose a name that reflects that, like inventory or sales records. This makes it easier to identify later. Don't forget to consider your data storage size. This number, which should be between 1 and 799,996 megabytes, depends on how much data you plan to store. Planning this carefully will help you manage your resources efficiently and ensure smooth operation as your data grows. Now that you're ready to create your first data store, let's explore the available options for integrating your data structure. You can choose from 3 pathways: selecting a data structure you've already designed, leaving the field blank to add one later, or creating a new data structure entirely. To make the most of your previous efforts and streamline the process, it's recommended to use the Make Advanced C01 data structure you set up earlier in the course. This data structure outlines the specific columns and data types for your table, ensuring your data store is organized and ready for efficient use. By consciously selecting or designing your data structure, you'll pave the way for a smoother data management experience. This careful preparation not only saves time, but also boosts the reliability of your data handling system. Let's dive into creating your first data store. When setting the data storage size, you can start with 1 megabyte. This field is flexible, allowing you to adjust it as your data requirements grow. Remember, the total storage capacity you see will depend on your subscription plan, so don't be surprised if your number differs from others. Once you're ready, click Save to finalize your setup. Congratulations on setting up your first data store. You can now explore your data store by clicking on Browse to see it in action. Great job taking this important step. As you begin working with your new data store, you'll notice it resembles familiar spreadsheet applications like Google Sheets, featuring a layout of rows and columns. However, there's a unique aspect here: the key field. Unlike standard spreadsheets where the row number might be manually assigned or used as an identifier, in this data store, each row has a unique key assigned automatically by the Make platform. This unique ID ensures that every piece of data is distinct, making it easier to retrieve or update specific records efficiently. Imagine you have a customer data store. With the unique key, you can quickly pinpoint a specific customer's details or make updates to their information without confusion. This functionality is particularly powerful when you're managing large volumes of data, as it saves time and reduces the risk of errors. Understanding this mechanism will greatly enhance your data management capabilities as you proceed. Welcome to editing your data store. Now we're going to get hands-on experience by adding some data manually. Imagine this as filling out a simple online form. No special skills required. First, we're focusing on adding clothing items. To start, you'll click Add, and you'll notice a new row appears in green. This is where you'll input each item. Need to add several pieces? Just click Add each time for a new entry. While we're keeping it simple now, you'll later explore how to expand your data store automatically with the Data Store module. For now, enjoy experimenting with manually entering information and getting comfortable with the setup. Remember, each click brings you one step closer to mastering your data management skills. Now it's time to delve into managing your data store. Begin by populating your fields, leaving the variant field for later. To edit a field, simply hover over it and give it a click. Don't hesitate to use the examples provided, or you can be creative and add your own data. When it comes to the key field, you have the flexibility to introduce your own unique key or leave it blank. If you opt to leave it empty, the system will generate a key automatically once you save your progress. Remember, it's crucial to hit save after entering new records to ensure your changes are preserved. This step confirms that all your hard work is kept safe and ready for the next phase of your project. By following these steps, managing your data store will be a seamless experience. Now that you have your data store set up, let's delve into managing it by adding some essential details. When you're ready to edit the variant field, it's important to note that this field is a bit different from the others. It acts as an array. This means it's designed to hold multiple categories or attributes for a product, allowing for more detailed organization. Start by clicking the variant field. This action will bring up the edit icon, which you can click to enter more details. When you add an item, a pop-up will appear, giving you spaces to fill in specific attributes such as SKU, color, size, price, and quantity. These details help define unique versions of your product, making them easier to track and manage. Feel free to add multiple variants for each product. Picture having a shirt that's available in various sizes and colors, each with its own price and quantity. This level of detail is invaluable for inventory management and sales tracking. Take a moment to experiment by adding a couple of different variants. Try varying the size, color, and price to see how versatile your data store can be. This hands-on practice will enhance your understanding of managing product variations efficiently. To effectively manage your data store, start by adding the necessary data. When you edit a field, it will appear highlighted in yellow. This feature indicates that your changes are yet to be saved. Once you click on the Save button, the yellow highlight will disappear, confirming that the changes are now permanent. If you decide against keeping the changes, simply click Discard Changes. This will revert the data to its previous state, discarding any modifications or new entries. However, it's crucial to remember that this option won't recover any deleted records. Always review your options to ensure you're making the desired updates. Managing your data store effectively involves understanding how to make and confirm changes. If you find yourself needing to delete a record, start by selecting the ones you want to remove, then click Delete Selected. You'll need to confirm this action by clicking Really, ensuring that accidental deletions are minimized. Remember, once you've confirmed the deletion, those records are gone forever. They can't be retrieved. This makes it crucial to handle the delete and discard functions with care, especially when dealing with real data. While you can discard unsaved changes in some cases, this won't recover deleted records. At this stage, it's okay to experiment as the data is for practice purposes. However, always practice caution with important data. Welcome. Let's explore the process of managing your data store by learning to delete records effectively. Imagine you've gone through all the essential steps and now you're ready to remove the records you created during this exercise. Don't worry, none of this data will be needed in the future, making it a perfect opportunity to practice. By mastering the deletion process now, you ensure you're prepared for real-world scenarios where you might need to selectively remove data. This practice sets the foundation for the next unit, where you'll experience a scenario that injects data automatically, relieving you from manual entries. It's crucial to be confident with adding, editing, and deleting data manually, so you always have control over your data store. Once you've finished deleting, you're ready to progress to more advanced techniques. Accidentally deleting data from your data store can be frustrating, but there are steps you can take to recover it manually. It's important to understand that there is no automated way to restore this data. To begin, you'll want to locate the specific scenario where the deleted items were originally stored. By reviewing the execution history, you can pinpoint when the data was inserted. Once identified, you can manually copy this missing data back into your data store. While this process can help you recover lost data, it's a good idea to have preventive measures in place. Consider setting up regular backups of your data store. Backing up data acts like creating a duplicate that you can easily restore if needed. This proactive approach can save you time and stress in the future. Being prepared ensures you have control over your data, even in the event of accidental deletion. As we wrap up this module, let's take a moment to reflect on what you've learned about data stores in Make. Think of a data store as your own built-in database. It's like having your very own Google Sheets right within Make, allowing you to effortlessly store and retrieve your data. Data store modules are highly versatile, providing capabilities to add, replace, update, retrieve, delete, search, or even count records. This makes managing your data straightforward and efficient. One of the standout benefits of data stores is their usefulness in sharing and transferring data within your different Make scenarios. The convenience of having data stored directly in your Make account means there's no need to juggle multiple third-party services. You also have the flexibility to maintain more than one data store. Your storage capacity grows with your subscription level. For every 10,000 operations you perform each month, you gain an additional 10 MB of storage. Finally, while there isn't an automated method for restoring deleted records, you can retrieve them manually. This ensures that even in the face of accidental deletions, your important data isn't lost forever. With these skills, you're well equipped to manage your data effectively in Make. Congratulations on completing this unit. You've gained insight into the powerful tool that is a data store and why it's a valuable asset for your data management needs. By understanding its benefits, you realize why storing data within Make is more advantageous than using external services. You've also learned how to create a data store, setting a solid foundation for your future projects. You've achieved an important milestone by creating your own data store, an essential component for the use case scenarios that await in the upcoming units. This practical experience will be crucial as you dive into scenario building, where you'll see the full potential of your data store and data structure in action. Get ready to apply what you've learned and see how it all comes together in the real-world applications you'll explore next. Keep up the fantastic work.